Hello, explorers. Today we are talking about faulty parallelism. When parts of a sentence don't follow the same grammatical structure. It sounds awkward, but it's easy to fix. Let's get started. She likes cooking, to jog, and reading. The correct sentence would be she likes cooking, jogging, and reading. Keep the verb format consistent. Alter nouns make the sentence smooth. He wanted to win the game, earn a trophy, and fame. He wanted to win the game, earn a trophy, and gain fame. Each part should match in structure and rhythm. It makes your point stronger. The manager said the team was motivated, efficient, and they worked hard. The manager said the team was motivated, efficient, and hardworking. Stick to adjectives in a list of qualities. Shifting to a full clause throws off the balance. Parallel structure is equal to powerful expression. Keep your sentence parts walking in sync. Keep learning, and I'll see you in my next episode.